Dear students, in the previous video we worked out question number 1 to 4 from exercise 9.3. Today we will work out question number 5. Let us see the first question. Add P into P minus Q, Q into Q minus R and R into R minus P. So here two operations are there. What are the two operations? Multiplication and then addition. So first let us multiply. P into P minus Q. What is P into P minus Q? P into P, P square minus P into Q, PQ. Now add plus Q into Q, Q square minus Q into R, QR, and again to add this product. So plus R into R, R square minus R into P, RP. Now if you check all the terms, all of them are unlike terms. So we don't have to add any terms or subtract any terms. Here we can directly arrange them in an order. So we can write it as P square plus Q square plus R square minus PQ minus QR minus RP. Now if you wish to write, it is not compulsory, but if you wish to write, you can also write it as P square plus Q square plus R square. All these terms have a minus sign. So take the minus sign out. PQ plus QR plus RP. So this is the sum of all these three polynomials. Now the next one is 2x into z minus x minus y and 2y into z minus y minus x. We need to add them. So first again here we have to find the product. Let us find the product. 2x into z is 2xz minus 2x into x is 2x square. Again minus 2x into y is 2xy. We have to add, so plus 2y into z is 2yz minus 2y into y is 2y square. Again minus 2y into x is 2yx. It can also be written as 2xy. So if you check here, here you have xz, here x square, then xy, yz, y square, xy. So these two terms are like terms, so you can add them. The other terms you can write it as it is. So 2xz plus 2yz minus 2xy minus 2xy is 4xy minus 2x square minus 2y square. Now if you wish to write 2x square first, you can arrange it in that order also. In any order you can write. That will be equal to minus 2x square minus 2y square plus 2xz plus 2yz minus 4xy. Okay. Now the third question is subtract. So here subtract 3l into l minus l 4m plus 5n from 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2n. Here again there are two operations. Which are the two operations? Multiplication and subtraction. Now you see this product you have to subtract from this product. So what will you write first? this product. Okay, so this is equal to 4L into 10N minus 3M plus 2L minus 3L into L minus 4M plus 5N. Now when you open the bracket, we need to multiply all these terms. 4 into 10, 40 Ln minus 3 4s are 12 Lm plus 2 4s are 8 L into L square minus, now you see here we have to be very careful. Here all these terms need to be multiplied by minus 3L. So when you multiply after finding out the product, every term in this bracket will turn into its opposite. So 3L into L square is minus 3L into L is equal to minus 3L square. Minus 3L into minus 4M. So minus into minus will become plus. 3 4s are 12 Lm. Here minus 3 into plus 5 is minus 15 Ln. Now see the like terms. So before that we can see here, see square numbers if you take 8L square minus 3L square is 5L square. Now you see 40 Ln, here 40 Ln and here you have 15 Ln, minus 15 Ln. So 40 minus 15, how much it is? 25. So 25 will be plus because this bigger number is plus. So 25 Ln. Here you have minus Lm and plus Lm. So when you add, we get 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0. So our answer or the sum is 5L square plus 25 Ln. Here subtract 3A into A plus B plus C minus 2B into A minus B plus C from 4C into minus A plus B plus C. So what we have to do? First we have to find this product. 4C into minus A plus B plus C. From this product we have to subtract. What you have to subtract? The product of these two. That is 3A into A plus B plus C minus 2B into A minus B plus C. So first we will find out this bracket. You can open this bracket and then this two. So let us multiply minus 4AC because this A is minus plus 4C into B will be 4BC. 4C into C is 4C square minus, in the bracket we have to open this, 3A into A, 3A square plus 3A into B, 3AB plus 3A into C, 3AC. Again minus, here we have to be careful because this complete terms will change into its opposite. So minus 2B into A is minus 2AB. Minus into minus plus 2B into B, 2B square minus 2B into C minus 2BC. So this full is in bracket. Now again this will remain as it is, minus 4AC plus 4BC plus 4C square. Now minus, this complete terms need to be subtracted. So every term will become a opposite. So 3a square will become minus 3a square. This will become minus 3ab, minus 3ac. Minus will become plus. Because here there is a minus, here there is a minus. So minus into minus plus 2ab minus 2b square and plus 2bc. Now all the brackets are opened. Now take the like terms. So first let us take the square terms. What is the square term? A square, which a square minus 3a square. Then minus 2b square. Then plus 4c square. Now here you see minus 4ac, minus 4ac. Where is the ac term? Here. Minus 3ac. Then plus 4bc. Now where is the bc term? The last. Plus 2bc. Then here you have ab term. That is minus 3ab plus 2ab. So this all square terms, nothing to do. You can write as it is. Minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square. Now here they are like terms. Minus 4 minus 3 will be minus 7ac. Here plus 4 plus 2. What will you get? 4 plus 2, 6bc. And the last one, minus 3ab and plus 2ab. One is negative and the other is positive. So it will be the bigger number sign, that is minus. Subtract 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 AB. 1 AB is written as AB. Now this is the answer. That's all for today. In the next class we will learn binomial multiplied by binomial. Okay. Thank you.